Today we're going to make beef and broccoli. Beef and broccoli is one of the most popular Chinese American dishes. And today our beef and broccoli is going to taste better than any of those Chinese restaurants. In a large bowl, place in the beef, egg white, cornstarch slurry, which is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water, rice wine, soy sauce, and white pepper. Mix until the beef has absorbed everything. And marinate for 20 minutes. To make the stir-fry sauce, in a bowl, add the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, white pepper, and chicken stock. To cook the broccoli in a pot of water over high heat, bring it to a boil and blanch the broccoli for about 30 seconds. Remove and drain. In a wok over high heat, add the extra light olive oil. Place in the beef. Cook, and we're gonna stir for about 2 minutes. Remove the beef and drain all the oil. To stir fry in the same wok over high heat, with the remaining oil left in the wok, add the scallions and cook for about 15 seconds. Pour in the sauce and bring it to a simmer. Then pour in the cornstarch slurry, which is half tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Stir to thicken the sauce. Return the beef and broccoli. And we're just gonna mix everything together. Our beef and broccoli today is superb. It's so delicious. It's really better than any takeout place. I think I honestly should open up a Chinese restaurant. So I hope that you enjoyed today's episode as well. And if you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you again next week for another awesome episode. Bye!